Alright, YouTube, just give y'all a quick update. Shout out to Pro King PKORC, Pro King 1. For these, he gave me a link. These was $14. About to throw these on Exceed. We got some hot racing mounts. I had to get one of those. That's for the XTM. Shout out to Unc for the 2 lipos. That's what these was free, brand new lipos. Shout out to Unc. Sorry about my washing machine running, y'all. About to hit this road. So it was brand new. 200 milliamp 50C. Damn. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, figure out how to set these up, man. Get back with you. Yeah. Brooklyn Hobbies came to support, show some love at the fam out here. Brooklyn Hobbies. People's out here, nothing but the bodies. My little man with me. So I'm about to go ahead, look at all these TPs they got. Bam!
This is a small order, wait till the big one comes in later.
I'm about to go ahead and grab 2 of those. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Brooklyn Hobbies, this is my hometown right here. I ain't look too far away, they got a bunch of stuff in here. You know, shout out to Brooklyn Hobbies, man. Showed me mad love. About to grab that body, them 2 motors, and should be good. Appreciate y'all. Alright, y'all, sorry about the wind. So I threw one of the TP power motors in here, and I just put it on low gear for right now. It's gonna test it with some speed, just to see what it would have did, but my GPS I think is dead, so I'm gonna just get some test hits in. Just get a quick flyby. See how she sound on the big end. She running nice. I think she's ready. Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning in, man. It was well worth it. Stay tuned for that body. I'll probably throw a little preview up, but she coming. And shout out to PKORC for the them shocks. I ain't get to test it yet, but them shocks definitely gonna work out. And shout out to for the batteries, and shout out to all my subscribers, man. This year gonna be a good year, so let's have some fun.